Welcome back to ICT Trading Concept, guys. I'm fine, thank you. Not for asking. How are you all? I hope everyone is good. So, in this video, you are going to learn how to anticipate price every specific day from the first of the week to the last of the week. Okay, that means in Monday, how price will act, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so this is not weekly analysis or something like that. This is the price action you will expect every specific day. I will give you, a little introduction about the price action in every specific day. Then I will go to the chart, real chart, then I will show it to you. And I'm not a good artist, so I have just art this weekly candle. uh, this is a perfect candle, okay? And if you see, this is the bear candle, this is the opening of this candle. It has opened over here, it went little bit higher, it expand lower, then it has closed over there. This is the perfect candle, but you won't see this kind of perfect candle in every week. If every week this kind of perfect candle would create, then everyone will be the millionaire. So you won't see this every day. And most of the youtubers or the mentor, they actually show you uh, their analysis. Then they will sorry, they will take a screenshot or a specific week where price actually worked like that way. I don't believe that shit. Why? It's because I would like to go to the recent weeks, and I will show you this won't happen every day. This is the, general concept you have to remember, and then you have to act with the price. That is the thing you have to understand. So please guys, try to understand this concept clearly, otherwise you won't help yourself. If you can understand this is very basic, and then maybe slowly you will learn. And one more thing guys, don't think after watching this video you can just jump to your chart and you can do the same thing. I don't believe that, because you will need more times. I don't know how many times, how many times will you need, but it will take times. Slowly you will learn it. If you trust me or the concept, or if you trust yourself, then you will learn it. Okay, sometimes you will see this kind of candle. Very small body and very weak, large wick, or maybe indices candle, something like this. Any type of, this every week you won't just see this kind of perfect candle, but you have to, start your journey with the perfect tone. Then when I will go to my chart, you will understand that every week how you will expect every day's price, Monday's price, Tuesday's price, what it can do in that specific day, and how you will use your weekly analysis in every specific day. Okay, now what actually everyday work? Think this is Monday. What Monday do? Monday is a accumulation phase. That means it will make some kind of liquidity in Monday. What Tuesday do? Tuesday is manipulation. This is accumulation phase in Monday. In Tuesday you will see manipulation. Maybe your expectation is lower price. So in Tuesday you will see it will clear the buy side liquidity from Monday. Then it will give you kind of market structure shift, and then little bit manipulation over there. In Wednesday you will see real move, the distribution. Thursday you will see the continuation of distribution, and in Friday market will go back to the range again. This is the thing, and this is the basic. Okay, if you see this every week happened, then it will be kind of, movie or something. So price actually don't work like that way, but this is the basic. In Monday you will expect some kind of accumulation. Tuesday actually the manipulation. Wednesday distribution. Thursday, continuation of the distribution, and Friday it will go back to the range. So that is the thing, main theme of this video. and I will go to the 15-minute chart because 15-minute chart is the best chart where you will see, the perfect price action. If you just go to the 15-minute chart from weekly chart, that will be enough for you to understand the price. Trust me, brother. It's very easy to understand, okay? And here in this video, I won't show you the entry pattern. I will just show you how you will expect, how price will print to the chart in a specific day. That is the main theme of this video. Here is the Monday, and I'm just going to show you 3 weeks. I don't know how long the video will be, but I will try to make it shorter. If it is longer, then you can just skip the video after watching 1 week example, okay? So it's up to you. uh, I'm just telling this to you. It's up to you. This is Monday. From Sunday, you have done your, Sunday when market was closed, you have done your weekly analysis, and from your weekly analysis, you know, you are expecting that market will go lower. This is your expectation. If you were with me for like near about 1 or 2 months, you know, last 1 month I was expecting lower prices because dollar index was going higher. I have shown you why I'm expecting lower price in every week. So depending on that situation, I'm just skipping the weekly analysis part, okay? So just think, from Saturday or Sunday you are expecting market will go lower this week. Now how you will expect when price will go start its journey from Monday, it will go straightly lower? No, it won't go like that way. Yeah, sometimes it can go, but this is not every time. In Monday you will expect some kind of liquidity making thing. In Monday it actually make the liquidity. So if you look at the chart, and if you see from 15-minute chart over here, it has make this higher high, this lower low. What you will do, you will expect that market won't go in on direction. It will try to make some kind of liquidity in Monday. This would be your expectation. Maybe if you go to the lower chart, then you will get some kind of entry pattern over there. Okay, just let me give you an example. Okay, if you look at before, you will see this is the lowest low. I'm just giving you an example only for this chart, not I won't give you the entry pattern for Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I won't give it to you. Okay, so this is your lower low. This is your higher high, from swing high from before the market. And I don't also trade the the London session. I only trade the New York AM session and the PM session. So I will give you the example only for New York AM session and PM session. I don't care about the London session. Okay, so this is the low, this is the high. In the meantime, if you look closely, there is some highs over there, so I'll mark them as well. And if you look at over here, this all are also your liquidity. And if you see this low, I'm sorry guys, if you look this lows, this is also your, sorry, not that one, this one, this is also your liquidity. So all of these are liquidity from before 9:30. When 9:30 has opened, I think it is here. Okay, this is 9:30. Okay, what it has done, it actually went lower, took the liquidity, went higher, gave you nice market structure shift. If you look at over here, this is your fair value gap. This is your fair value gap, and this is your entry. I'm not telling you that how you will anticipate your entry. I'm telling you, when you have done your weekly analysis in Saturday on Sunday, and it is telling you that market will go higher or go lower, will you expect the run from Monday? No, you won't expect that from Monday. What you will expect in Monday, you will expect some kind of accumulation phase in Monday. That means it will, maybe it will take buy side liquidity, it will take sell side liquidity from before, and then it will make some kind of liquidity in Monday. It doesn't have a direction, okay? It can go lower, it can go higher. It will just make the liquidity. Now, what Tuesday do? Tuesday is the manipulation phase. That means it will manipulate the market. You will get some kind of very clean liquidity from Monday, and before 9:30 you will see clearly there will be some kind of clear liquidity. If I mark here, if you just look, I look equal lows and equal highs for my market, I mean for my drawn liquidity. If you see, this is clean lows, okay, and this is your clean highs. You see this high and this high, they're clean, very clean. I'll just mark a little bit. This high and this high very clean, this low and this low, they're very clean. So both of them are liquidity. You can mark this high. Most of the YouTubers will tell you just mark the higher, I mean high from Monday, mark the low from Monday, and that will be your drawn liquidity. But I really don't go with that things. I try to mark equal highs and equal lows. That is, you know, that makes me more confident that market will go over there and take that liquidity. Now look what Tuesday did. Tuesday has cleared this buy side liquidity from Monday and this sell side liquidity from Monday. This is manipulation. Why manipulation? If it isn't manipulation, then it went higher, it take buy side liquidity, it went lower, it took sell side liquidity, then it started to go higher again. I mean, this, maybe this is very clean in your opinion. This is very clean, it has cleaned the market, I mean buy side liquidity, then gave you market structure shape. This fair value gap will be your entry pattern. But if you go to the 1 minute chart, you don't know which way price will go. Manipulation means some kind of manipulating market. I mean, there is no reason to go somewhere. Market will just move, okay? It will manipulate you. Maybe it will go higher, take this buy side liquidity, then it will go lower, take this sell side liquidity, all of the liquidity it will taken. But it happens only in Tuesday, not always, but most of the time you will see this kind of manipulation. Now, how you will take your entry then? I'm not talking about entry, guys. For entry, there is the price action I'm trying to give you by my live streaming, and also from this week I will make everyday's price action, so from 1 minute chart, so that you guys can understand what you will understand. I mean what you will get from here. Then you will get here that when market will started to go higher in the morning session and you opened your chart at the 9:30 and you saw market is actually going lower. Here is 9:30, okay, here is 9:30. So you have seen already market has taken this liquidity. It has taken this liquidity from 9:30. Now you can't expect that market will go higher. Why? Because this is manipulation. It can go more lower. It doesn't care about that. Okay, if you saw when 9:30 has opened, if you saw market was just over here, it didn't clean this sell side liquidity. Okay, market is just here. So you can't expect that market will clean this sell side liquidity. It can just go above and can just trade over this, all of this buy side liquidity. It can do it over there because this is manipulation. Now what actually Wednesday do? Wednesday will give you your real move. From your weekly analysis, I mean in Saturday or Sunday you are expecting lower run. So in Wednesday you will get your run. In Wednesday it started to go higher. Okay, it when you saw, you just opened your chart at 9:30 and you saw market was going higher the whole night, and also the London session, you will be more confident. Okay, market will go lower. Why? Because in Wednesday most of the time you will get your run. That is why when you will see some kind of opposite run in Wednesday overnight or London session, you will be more confident that you are going to get your real run in Wednesday. Maybe your expectation is going higher, market will go higher. Okay, so what you will expect in Wednesday? You will expect that market will go lower before 9:30 it will go lower. It will go lower and it will take some kind of liquidity or something like that. Then after 9:30 it will go higher. It will give you your run according to your analysis. That is your expectation from I mean Wednesday. What Thursday do? Thursday is the same. I mean the continuation of this run. Your run will be continue in Thursday as well. This is Thursday's price action as well. And what will Friday do? In Friday, it will go back to the range. Though your weekly analysis was telling you that market will go lower, but it will actually in Friday it will go against your analysis. I mean this is the closing day. Okay, if you remember already what I have told you from when I was showing you the the weekly candle, market went lower, then it has just, I'll show you this one. Think this is the candle. Okay, so market open here, it went higher, it go lower, then it went little above and closed over there. So in Friday you will see the lower portion. Okay, so market went higher and it will close some kind of 20% 30% TGIF. What actually Michael taught us about TGIF, you will expect that from Friday. So this is the week. I will go the next week. Okay, I am going to the Monday. So here is the Monday's price action. This week also my expectation was market will go lower. Now in previous week, you know, Monday will make some kind of liquidity. I mean relative equal highs, relative equal lows, or swing highs, whatever, it will make liquidity. That means it won't give you one-sided run. You see market actually came lower, consolidate over here, it went higher, it came lower little bit, it went higher, it came lower. So all of these are accumulation phase. Then Tuesday, what it has done, it will actually manipulation. So what it has done, it has cleaned this buy side liquidity, this buy side liquidity here, break down, took all the sell side liquidity, is keep going lower. It went higher, though our analysis was telling us that market will go lower, but don't think this is your analysis run. Okay, this is not your analysis run, this is the manipulation run. That means if went lower, market went lower, it can just go lower. It doesn't have any problem to go lower because this is manipulation phase. It can just go higher, higher, higher. It can go higher as far as it wants. It can do that. Okay, so this would be your expectation from Tuesday's price action. You will know that manipulation will happen in Tuesday. Now you can tell me, brother, what are you talking about? If it happens like that way, how do you know how to take entry? Or don't we take entry in Monday and Tuesday? We will take our entry. That is different matter. Okay, just try to understand the differences between a specific day's price action and a entry setup. Okay, entry setup is totally different thing. This is your expectation that Tuesday you will see some kind of manipulation, Monday you will see some kind of accumulation. Accumulation means it will go high low, high low, high low, it will make some kind of liquidity. Tuesday it will just manipulate that liquidity. The YouTubers will tell you this is the higher high and you are waiting. Okay, market has taken the lowest low from Monday, so it will go now higher high and it will take the Monday's high. Yeah, it can do it, but most of the time it won't do it. Trust me, brother, it won't do it. It will just manipulate you. You will see market came this far. Okay, maybe now I will get the reverse, but it didn't do it. You see, it went lower, 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 lower. What time is it? It's almost 3:30. Okay, until 3:30 it went lower. What happened last Tuesday? I will go to the last Tuesday. Okay, this is the Tuesday. What market did? It went lower, 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 lower. When it has done? At 10:30. See, at 10:30 it has done going lower. Then what it has done? It started to go higher. Where it did go? Did it go to the upper level? No, it didn't go. It just stopped over here. What time is it? It's 2:30. Then what it has done? It consolidated. That means This is all manipulation. It won't I mean, there is no direction. It is just manipulating the market. It won't give you a direct direction. This is the meaning of manipulation. I will go to the next week, then you will understand a little bit more. And brother, trust me, just watching this video you won't learn this. When every week I will tell you, okay, this is the Tuesday and you see this is the manipulation, and now see how we will anticipate our trade entry. Later you will learn this. Don't force yourself and think I have to get everything by this video. It will never happen. Trust me, brother. It will never ever it will happen. So just give me some times. You are gonna earn million of dollar. You have to give me some time. But if you think you don't want to learn all of this shit, then you can go with macro. This is the easiest thing I know, and though I don't like that because this is for under 18 in my opinion. So you can go for that. But if you really would like to know how price action works, this is all our puzzle. Okay, I mean, this is a piece of puzzle. You have to solve this puzzle all together, and for that I'm gonna give you a direction. Please don't mind, I'm thinking all of you are new here, you are here for learning. I'm talking like that way. So if I know there is someone who knows better than me, I'm not telling you, okay brother, so this, don't take it offensive. So I'm gonna give you some direction so that you guys can solve the puzzle, and I'm trying to give you with the live chart, live price action. That's how you will learn how to do these things. This is all boring things, and when you will learn these things, trust me, this is the most interesting things ever. When market will start to listen to you, you will feel like you are the market maker. That is the thing. Okay, so in Tuesday we actually see the manipulation phase, so we will expect the manipulation from Tuesday. Entry pattern is totally different. Now Wednesday, our expectation is market will go, I mean, lower. Okay, this is our expectation. Now look at the price. This is 930. I think it's here. Okay, this is 930. What did we see? It went higher, came little lower, consolidate. At 930 it went higher again, clean this buy side liquidity, then gave you the run. This is your run. Okay guys, this is your run from your weekly analysis. Then at the PM session maybe it went higher again, and see how beautifully it has cleaned the buy side liquidity as well. It went lower, cleaned the sell side liquidity, then it went higher, also cleaned the buy side liquidity. Or if it would like to go lower, then it will go too long, I mean it will go according to your analysis and it will go too low. You will get so many setup in Wednesday because you know it won't, it won't send you in a trap where you will get trapped. I mean, if you go to the 1 minute chart, you will see some kind of clean setup. Trust me, I'm not going to go, in 1 minute chart, but you will get your clean setup in Wednesday. Now look at the Thursday price action. What Thursday price do? It actually continuation of your, what can I say? The distribution continuation in Thursday. So when you have opened at 930, what did you see? It actually went lower, little bit lower, and after 930, where is 930? Here is 930. You see this is the run. You look at this run, like this type of run. Okay, this is your PM session run, and in Thursday it continued with your this run, either this run or as you have two run over here, the lower run, higher run. It continued with your higher run. From here you will get very nice and clean setup in 1 minute chart. Trust me, though our analysis was telling us that market will go lower, this time it has done its job over here. I mean in Wednesday it went lower and then it started to go higher. It happens, guys. Sometimes our analysis won't work perfectly, okay? So you have to accept that. And now Friday. What Friday did? It more went higher and it has closed. I mean it came lower and closed into the, I mean in the middle portion, okay? I mean it came back to the range. In Friday it came back to the range after 9:30. If you look at over there, it started to go lower again and it has closed into the range. So this was the second week and this is the last week. So this is Monday. What price did? It came lower, it went higher, it came lower, it went higher. What it did? It has made the liquidity. I mean this is the accumulation phase. Did you, can you match the, I mean the pattern from Monday? These 3 Monday, what it has done? Came lower, went higher, came lower, went higher. It has done previous to Monday as well. So most of the time you will see this kind of price action in Monday. What I mean Tuesday do? Tuesday is the manipulation phase. Why? It has cleaned the buy side liquidity though, then started to go lower, take this buy side sell side liquidity, little bit retracement, went lower. You see, it just manipulated the market. This is the manipulation. Now here is your Wednesday. What Wednesday has done? Our analysis was telling us that market will, I mean my expectation was market will go lower, but in the meantime market was actually too low from here, so market went little bit higher. I mean in Wednesday we get higher run. Just look at this run, how nicely it has done. I mean in Wednesday you will expect that if market start to go away, I mean in a direction, you are not afraid of manipulation. Like over here, if it started to go lower, it can start to go higher again, which will you won't see in Wednesday's price action. I am showing you last 3 weeks. In 3 weeks, this is the price action from Tuesday, this is the price action from Wednesday. In Wednesday you are not afraid of manipulation. That means when it has cleaned the sell side liquidity, I mean it has cleaned the sell side liquidity, then if you had seen that it started to go higher, you will expect that it will go higher. That is the thing in Wednesday. This will, I mean build your confidence that you won't be manipulated by the market. Not always, not 100%, but most of the time you will be sure that market won't manipulate you. If it has taken the sell side liquidity, it will go higher. If it has taken the buy side liquidity, it will go lower. At least it will give you a very nice setup and you will take your entry. But in Monday, I mean in Tuesday, you have to be careful about manipulating by the market. That means if you see it has cleaned the buy side liquidity, started to go lower, don't think that market can go above again. Guys, I'm not showing you the perfect example, I'm just showing you the market example. When I'm showing you the market example, I mean the current market example, it is what it is. I'm telling you how, why, what do you think in a specific day and how you will expect the price. In Tuesday, though there is no, I mean manipulation, real manipulation has happened last 3 weeks, but most of the time you will see you will just go back and you will match my information, okay? This is the manipulation phase in Tuesday. It will go higher, it will take your liquidity from there, maybe it started to go higher, it doesn't care. When you will try to take entry, it will start to go lower. This is the manipulation phase. Here is the distribution phase. That means in this day you will expect that you won't be manipulated by the market. That means it won't go higher, then it will come lower, it will go higher again to manipulate you. Now you can say, brother, then Monday's price action is actually the manipulation. It came lower, it came higher. No, this is not manipulation. It is actually making the, I mean liquidity. And you know, by one video I can't make you understand this. When I will go step by step, I have a plan, so I will go and I will follow my plan. I won't listen to you how to give you the information. Whatever I'm telling you, you have to just take it and you have to believe it. Otherwise, I don't know how to make it more clear or easier for you. So you have to believe it. This is not kind of manipulation. This is actually accumulation, which is actually making liquidity, something like that. In Tuesday is really the manipulation. If you go to the 1 minute chart, you will see some kind of manipulating market structure over there, though it's very clean in 15-minute chart. But if you go to the 1 minute chart, you will see most of the time you will be manipulated. Okay, and Wednesday is the continuation. Thursday is the same thing. You are not afraid of manipulated by the market after 9:30. If you look at the 9:30, it didn't actually clean the buy side liquid. I mean, it has cleaned the buy side. Sorry, it has actually cleaned this buy side liquid. If you see this high has taken by that high, then it after 9:30 it went lower. You will get some kind of entry over there. If you don't get it, it went little bit lower, then it will give you a very nice setup in 1 minute chart, and you will confidently take your entry over there. Depending on the price action over there, you can do it in 1 minute chart. You won't have to be afraid of manipulating by the market. And Friday we had the news, all of us know that what happened over there. So it actually went back to the the real range, inside the real range. From here it went higher, it just stopped over there. Some weeks are very different. Overall, what you have learned from this, you are learning from here is Monday you will expect some kind of accumulation phase. In Tuesday you will be careful about manipulation. In Wednesday you will take your entry with confidence according to your analysis. Thursday it will continue, and in Friday you will expect the opposite run. That is the theme of this video. Just stay with me, it will be more clear, trust me. So that's all for today, and if you are new, please subscribe to my channel. If you think my videos are little helpful, then give me a thumbs up, share my video, and be happy. Cheers.